Hello everyone, Valentin from Flea Systems here. Today I want to talk about a new demo example that I've been working on for my FleaFPGA platform, and which is basically a re-implementation of an analog FM radio receiver, but all this time in digital form. And there's not much going on the hardware side. We look, you'll see there's no FM, there's no active parts on that little board. There's just a couple of little antenna tuner and some passive parts to reduce the hum going into the FPGA, which it doesn't completely remove all the hum, which as we'll soon discover. But anyway, that whole thing just plugs straight into the GPIO header like so. There we go. And so yeah, so that's basically it. So how does it work? Yeah, basically we've got our incoming RF is picked up by the aerial, which is then passes through our tune filter circuit at the front end, and is then converted into digital form via a 1-bit A to D on the FPGAs with basically just a differential comparator input, and it's then passed through a digital mixer, which is down converted to a 1 MHz intermediate frequency, passes through some bandpass filters, and then subsequently demodulated by a phase lock loop, and then passes through another low pass filter to get our audio out. And now all those stages combined inside the FPGA, the complete FM receiver takes up around about 15% of the Mark X02's capacity. Now, this is a work in progress, folks, so please bear with me. I've been working on this project for the last couple of weeks now, and it's pretty much reached a stage where it's now a working receiver, and I can do this video now as a result. So with that, we'll fire up and see what we can get out of it. Have a listen. Now, I've implemented the channel selection sort of mechanism for the FM radio in the form of the user buttons. It basically can adjust the local oscillator up or down, and so you set the channel frequency. So we'll go up. Let's scan upwards. So manually, of course. So we'll define. So you can hear the hum. Coming through. It might be slightly off frequency. Yeah. So there we go. It's coming through. There is the hum though. You can hear it, and it's coming through from the front end mainly. Let's try and go see if we can get that frequency. Okay, that's probably about where it is now. And there we have it, folks. The basic FM radio receiver, and yeah. Well, that's it for today's demo, folks. Sorry about the shaky video. Look, I'll try and post any more updates around this when I can. And yeah, thanks for watching, and happy experimenting.